Maintaining a healthy gut is crucial for overall well-being. When our gut is out of balance or unhealthy, it can lead to a range of physical and mental issues. So let's explore 6 warning signs that indicate your gut is not in its best shape. Number 1. Frequent bloating and gas. If you're feeling bloated and experiencing excessive gas more than usual, it could be a sign of an unhealthy gut. This often means there's an imbalance of gut bacteria, also called dysbiosis, or difficulty digesting certain foods. It might also indicate conditions like small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, SIBO, or low stomach acid. 2. Irregular bowel movements. Another sign of an unhealthy gut is having irregular bowel movements. This includes chronic constipation, diarrhea, or constantly changing stool consistency. These issues often reflect inflammation or a malfunction in the gut, such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. They can also be a result of a lack of dietary fiber and probiotics, which are essential for healthy bowel movements. 3. Persistent fatigue. When your gut is unhealthy, it can lead to persistent fatigue or tiredness. This is because the gut plays a crucial role in energy regulation and nutrient absorption. If the gut lining is damaged or the microbiome is imbalanced, it can impair nutrient absorption, leading to feelings of tiredness and exhaustion. Additionally, an unhealthy gut often results in increased inflammation throughout the body, which can contribute to fatigue. 4. Food intolerances or sensitivities. If you've recently started reacting to foods that you've previously tolerated, it could signify an unhealthy gut. Conditions like leaky gut allow partially digested food particles to pass through the intestinal lining and trigger an immune response, leading to food intolerances and sensitivities. This can also be a result of enzyme deficiencies or imbalanced gut flora. 5. Skin issues. An unhealthy gut can manifest in various skin issues such as acne, eczema, and rosacea. The gut-skin axis highlights the connection between gut health and skin health. When there's inflammation or a microbial imbalance in the gut, it can trigger immune responses that lead to skin flare-ups. Food allergies, gut dysbiosis, and toxin buildup due to poor digestion are some factors contributing to these skin issues. 6. Mental health struggles. A significant portion of neurotransmitters, including serotonin, are produced in the gut. Imbalances in the gut microbiome and poor gut-brain communication can disrupt the production and regulation of these neurotransmitters, leading to mental health struggles like anxiety and depression. Chronic inflammation in the gut can also contribute to these issues by affecting brain function and signaling. It's important to note that these signs and symptoms can be indicative of various conditions, and a proper diagnosis should be sought from a healthcare professional. By being aware of these potential issues and making necessary lifestyle changes or seeking treatment, we can support a healthier gut and overall well-being. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on all our health and wellness content. Stay healthy and take care.